Hey, how's everybody doing today? So I have a Canon M50 here, and I'm going to show you how to format the card or SD card while it is inside your camera here. So I'm going to go ahead and start back over here. Let me just go ahead and go on off. And just to make things easier, just go ahead and put this to M, to manual, just in case, like that. And now we'll go ahead and fire up this camera. Give it a second here. And then once it's on, go ahead and press on menu here. Then we want to go over to function settings right here and go ahead and click on set or OK right here. And then from here, it's right on function settings number 1. Okay, so stay on number 1. And if you scroll down, you can see format card. Go ahead and tap on that, and you can see I used 12.3 gigabytes used so far out of a 30 gig SD card. So what I can do from here is I can do a low level format. If I want to do that, I would simply press on the info button here, and then you can see that's checked. I'm not going to do a low level format. I'm going to do a regular format. So you can go ahead and leave it like that. Then make sure you move over and make sure you click on OK here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on set right here. Give it a second, and voila. Now my card is fresh, and I'm ready to rock and roll again. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.